In this video, you're going to learn how to create an email address with your domain name. Here, this tutorial is with the web hosting company SiteGround. If you have a different hosting company, you can still watch this tutorial because it's very similar with other hosting companies. To start, click on Go to cPanel, click on Proceed. Once you're on your cPanel, on SiteGround or another hosting, look for Mail. Click on Email Accounts. And this is where you can create your own personal email address with your domain name. I already have one here. I'm going to create a second one. Here you create your email, contact, password, you confirm. Here you can customize the storage space for your email address. So we have up to 4,000 with our current plan. I'm going to just put 2,000. I'm going to put my password and click on create. And that's it. My account is created. You could see it right here. I created contact@mywebsite.com and I have 2 gigabytes of storage. I can click on more, access webmail, click on got it. Here you can choose a webmail application. I'm going to choose Roundcube, set as default, click on it. And from here, I can send and receive emails. I'm going to click on compose. I'm going to send an email to my other address. You click on send. Here you can double check on the sent folder. My email was sent. And here I'm going to connect to my other email address to see if I received the email. So I go back on the email accounts page, click on access webmail, and there we go. One email from contact@mywebsite.com. I can close this. Now if you want to connect your email to your smartphone or Outlook, you just need some information. You're going to get them by clicking here on your email address, click on configure mail client, and here you want to use these informations right here. So when you create the account under Outlook or under the mail app on your smartphone, you're going to need this: the username, password, and the incoming and outgoing server, which are the same in this case. And that's it. That's all you need to configure your email address on any software. And this is how you create an email address with your domain name. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.